Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing a quick AutoRole command. Basically for when somebody joins the server, you will be able to AutoRole them with this system. So we're going to go ahead, the first thing we're doing is we're going to create the database. So we're going to call this one AutoRole. It's wanting to grab guild ID and role ID, which is good. As this is multi-guilded. So we are going to create another guild member add event. And inside this event, this is where we're going to actually execute the member add, the member add role and all that fun stuff. So we are going to surround this too in a try catch. I've been noticing a lot of people lately have been lacking try catches. So I'm going to start showing try catches a lot more. So people can kind of get the fundamental of that down. You'll notice we just surrounded that with a try catch. If it errors, it's not going to crash the bot. So we're going to go into the setup command. We're going to add another subcommand option. And in this one, we're going to just set up just the base of it. We could just call this one. Yeah, that'll work. Yep. Let's change it a little. We'll just do AutoRole. Let me close it off. So inside this one, a downside to DJS is you have to have it as a string option to do choices. And we're going to be doing this with choices due to the fact we're going to build in an add and remove. So yeah, fun stuff. We're going to call it modify, as you've seen. We are going to require this portion. This is where we're going to add our choices. So we're going to call this just simply add and remove. Copilot caught on quick. It's seeing what we're trying to do. There we go. So now this is where we're actually going to add in the role option. And we're going to make this one. We're going to set it to false, but we're going to keep it true just for a moment. I just want to get the command down quick. So we are going to add in inside that switch. We're going to add our case for our option. And we're going to pull from the database to get the data information. And if there is no data, hold on, we're going to change this up a little bit. There we go. We're going to put that above it just so the whole if can just access it. It's fine. So we're going to actually go into the database and we're going to insert it if there is no data. And on these replies, we're actually going to put a return because that's the end. It's over. Once it replies to this, it's over with. And we got an else. Should we do an else? Yeah. So we're going to also pull in, this is going to be the update. So this is, hey, there is data, but we're going to update it anyways. And let's add awaits to our callings to the database. Add our return. And what we can do, we're going to do something a little bit fun with this one. So we're actually going to put this inside of a switch itself. So we're going to actually call in the modify that we used. There we go. And we're actually going to switch based on that. So we're having a switch within a switch. It's nesting switches. This is doable. Sometimes it can look crazy, but that's okay. So we're going to do this one. This is actually, we're going to put, that's not going to be the right spot for that. We're going to put that right here. We're going to do, this is the whole section here that is going to be the case add. And we're going to do a break here because it's like, hey, we're done. That's the end of that case. This one is going to be the case remove. This is where if we run that remove command, it is going to go bye-bye. Pretty quick and easy. Here we go. Let's just look at how everything's looking down here. Let's break it one more time. And there we go. Let's go ahead. Let's clean up this portion right here. All right. So now the truth, the moment of truth, we're doing register. Perfect. And we're going to node period. And then I'm going to see you guys over in Discord. So what we're going to do here, we're just going to run the add command. And then we're going to verify that, hey, when somebody joins this Discord, it is giving them this command or this role. All right, so it is saying it successfully did it. I'm not going to swap over to show you in the database. I'm just going to have somebody leave and rejoin. We're going to give him just a second to leave and rejoin. All right, so he has left and he has rejoined. So let's check it out. And as you can see, he does have that role. So let's go ahead. Let's assign it a different role just to verify that the update is working as well. There we go. Neat role. That works out. So you can see he has a new role. And he's going to leave here in a second. All right. And he rejoined. Let's check it out. And he has a neat role. So now let's go in and we're gonna adjust this because I totally forgot about it. We need to set the role as required false. So you do have to run another register for that. And we're going to start the bot back up. Let's go back over to Discord. And all we're going to do is remove the AutoRole system. So we got to go to a different channel because of Discord's caching. And there's that. And we're just going to select remove. And it says it has successfully removed the AutoRole ID. So let's go ahead and let's check the database. Let's just verify that, hey, it's really gone. So nothing's there, but let's go ahead. We're going to click the refresh a couple times. And all right, we'll see you in the next video.